What if I told you that you could make money while you sleep? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the exact steps I use to build a blog that generates passive income through affiliate marketing strategies that 99% of bloggers overlook. Stay tuned to discover the secrets that could change your financial future forever. One of the most critical steps to building a successful affiliate marketing blog is choosing the right niche. Why is this so important? Well, imagine trying to write hundreds of blog posts about a topic that doesn't excite you. You'd likely burn out quickly. Selecting a niche that aligns with your interests ensures that you'll stay motivated and passionate about creating content. Plus, when you're genuinely interested in a subject, your enthusiasm shines through, making your content more engaging and authentic. But interest alone isn't enough. A profitable niche is equally important. This means finding a niche where there are plenty of affiliate marketing opportunities. You want to target an audience that is ready to spend money on products and services related to your niche. Start by researching niches that have a proven track record of profitability. Look for products that offer good commission rates and have strong market demand. Now, you might be wondering how to balance your passions with profitability. Here's a simple tip. Make a list of your interests and hobbies. Then research each one to see if there's a viable market for it. Use tools like Google Trends, keyword planners, and affiliate networks to gauge market potential and competition levels. So, as you narrow down your options, remember that the ideal niche should be a blend of your interests and profitable opportunities. This combination sets the foundation for sustained blogging success. What niche are you passionate about? And do you believe it has strong affiliate opportunities? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit DigMarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Choosing the right domain name is a crucial first step in building your online presence. Your domain name should be memorable, easy to spell, and reflective of your brand or content. Avoid using long and complex words. Keep it simple and catchy. If possible, choose a domain extension that suits your website, like .com for commercial sites or .org for organizations. Now, let's talk about hosting. Your choice of hosting service can significantly impact your site's performance. Look for a hosting provider that offers strong uptime guarantees, excellent customer support, and scalability. You'll want a provider that can grow with your website. Features like one-click WordPress installs and regular backups can make managing your site much easier. Think about speed and security too. Nobody likes a slow website. It can drive visitors away. Choose a host with servers optimized for speed, and don't skimp on security features. SSL certificate, firewall, and regular malware checks are essential for keeping your data safe. As you consider these factors, it's important to align your domain and hosting decisions with your long-term goals. Are you expecting a lot of traffic? Do you need e-commerce capabilities? Your choices today will affect your site's success in the future. Have you ever faced challenges picking a domain name or hosting service? When it comes to designing your blog, the first thing you want to focus on is user experience. An attractive and user-friendly blog design can make a significant difference in keeping visitors on your site and encouraging them to explore more content. A clean layout, easy navigation, and readable fonts are essential components. Think of white space as your friend. It helps make your content more digestible and less overwhelming. Now, let's get into the visuals. High-quality images and graphics can make your blog stand out, but make sure they complement your content without slowing down your site. Your color scheme should be consistent and reflect your brand identity. Tools like Canva can help you create stunning visuals without any design experience. But designing an attractive blog is only half the battle. Optimizing it for search engines is what will bring organic traffic to your site. Start with keyword research to find out what terms your potential audience is searching for. Use these keywords naturally in your content, titles, and meta descriptions to improve your search engine rankings. Your blog's loading speed is another important factor for SEO. A slow website can frustrate visitors and hurt your search engine rankings. Compress images, minimize code, and use a reliable hosting provider to ensure your site loads quickly. Internal linking is another smart SEO tactic. By linking to other relevant posts on your blog, you keep visitors engaged and help search engines understand the structure of your site. Don't forget about external links too. Linking to reputable sources can add credibility to your content. Now, what about mobile friendliness? With so many users accessing the internet via smartphones and tablets, a mobile responsive design is crucial. Most modern blog themes are mobile friendly, but always test your site on multiple devices to ensure a seamless experience. Do you have any tips or strategies for designing an attractive blog or optimizing it for SEO? Let me know in the comments below.